What we are offering you right now is to address the wants of your family. Pag yung anak mo lumapit sa'yo, I want to go to Disneyland Hong Kong. O sige, gagawin natin yan pagtatrabuhan ko. Because your income and your progress in this career is within your control.
Tayo, walang kikilos para sa pangarap natin kundi tayo.
Right.
Hindi yung kapitbahay mo, hindi yung katabi mo, ikaw. Oo, ikaw nagharap ko. Huwag ka nang palingon-lingon, ikaw yun. So, again, ang hashtag natin dito, kumilos sang ayon sa laki ng pangarap. Inuulit-ulit ko, you want 1 million, you move like you are indeed worthy of 1 million pesos. Kumuna.
Finally, you will tell yourself, see, I have the power to change my story.